Hola! Welcome to Español from Zero, a podcast for people who are just starting the amazing journey that is learning Spanish. My name is Mar, and as a teacher who works with absolute beginners, I was frustrated about not being able to find any podcasts that focused on the basics, which is why I decided to create this series of really short and easy episodes for total beginners. Because even if you started learning Spanish just a few weeks ago, it's never too early to start working on your listening skills. So I really hope you find this useful, but please reach out if you have any questions or if you want to have a lesson with me. Okay, that is all for the intro. Let's get to the Español. Today's practice is focused on the verb llamarse, or to be called. Basically the verb that we use to talk about people's names. So the exercise is really short and simple. Your job is to find the mistakes in the sentences that I'm going to say. There'll be 5 sentences in total. I'll repeat them twice, and all of them have mistakes except for one. One of them is correct. Ready? Sentence number 1. Yo llamo Rafael. Yo llamo Rafael. Sentence number 2. Nosotros nos llamamos Pedro y Juan. Nosotros nos llamamos Pedro y Juan. Sentence number 3. Ella se llaman Claudia. Ella se llaman Claudia. Sentence number 4. Tú te llamas Lucas. Tú te llamas Lucas. And sentence number 5. Ellos se llama Ana y Sebastián. Ellos se llama Ana y Sebastián. All right, those are the 5 sentences. In the show notes, you'll find a transcription and a link to the answers if you want to know how you did. I hope you find it useful. I hope it wasn't too hard for you. But again, if you have any questions, just let me know. And that is all for today. Thank you for listening. Adios!